to this review on Crypto Cash Academy. This is actually a product that you need either this year or next year, because in this trading academy, which you are going to get right away, you are not doing any kind of like maybe selling, marketing, or whatever thing you may think in the past. So in this course, you will learn the exact strategy to start cryptocurrency trading and start making a very reasonable amount of profit. As a matter of fact, I give an estimate of $10 to $1 to $10 or even $15 as high. So this trading strategy is something I and my team has been using for years. After being on the crypto market industry for like 3 years, I decided to develop a strategy that works every time that I want to place a trade to get income on demand. Remember, trading is a passive business, it's not an active business. Active is not an active income, it's a passive income that you make. What I mean by passive income is that you make this money without talking to people, without selling anything. It is something you do passively, just with your laptop or your phone. You are good to go and your capital. So entering the market is not a funny thing, in the sense that if you go through the market as it is now, it is very volatile. So you doing it yourself, you may end up burning money in the process. But in this training and this mentorship, is an ongoing training. After you must have gone through the foundation course, which of course will be given to you once you make your payment. You get my full-time 24/7 support. Anytime you are trying to trade, you get a signal from me directly. Now, why get this crypto cash course? One, it is automated daily income. Okay, you are making money every day on autopilot without lifting finger on your side. The system makes you money, because this time around you are dealing with the market, you are not dealing with people, you are not selling, you are not doing any buying at all. Daily crypto signal from Mr. Shedrack. We're going to be getting trading signals from me every day based on the signal package you have bought in our premium signal package platform. You get a powerful blueprint checklist. This blueprint alone worth millions. You're gonna get it for absolutely free. This is just a blueprint that says do this and do that. You see our exact amount you're going to be making once you are trading, how to open a trading account, how to fund your trading account, how to do so many things that is on this list blueprints. This e-course is beginner friendly, so don't say that maybe I needed is an advanced kind of a thing. No, it's a beginner friendly with actionable steps you need to take to start making real money trading on crypto market daily. Now, I offer this training on crypto for beginners. If you're a beginner, okay, you learn along. You can learn along with me in making your first $100 to $1,000 per month. Doing that's per month daily crypto. That's doing daily crypto trading with a capital less than 20,000. Now remember, this thing is not an investment platform where you put money to double your money. No, this time around we are dealing with the market directly. But the only thing is this: we are not doing it alone. I am here to guide you, because this is what I do secretly with my team to make money every day. So even if maybe business is not going through, this is the exact thing we use to raise money anytime we needed cash on demand. So you are going to get a blueprint guide. You will get the exact blueprint to open your trading account, fund it, and receive your daily signal plus how what to trade. Are you getting it now? Both on the spot and secondary market. You will not only get a signal from us, we're also going to direct you how to trade both on the primary and the secondary market. If you don't know what is spot market and secondary market, we're going to explain that on the blueprint. And of course, you are going to work directly with Shadrach one-on-one phone conversations, and we are going to be doing both Skype, Invo, WhatsApp, and other things necessary to make sure you don't fail in this new business. Then you are going to get advanced OSA trade. Okay, apart from getting the spot market to understand how to trade, we are going to usher you to this OSA trade where you multiply your income by 3 to 5% on the underlying asset you are trading on. Of course, OSA has been some of the best ever product to launch the market. I wrote the prototype of OSA trading, and this is still relevant at the moment. So you are going to get everything about OSA trading. So in this blueprint, how the trading course are structured, I take you from beginner guide to trading, then to opening your trading and signal account, to doing basic and advanced crypto trading. I will cover hot topics and asset markets that will return 10 to 15% daily on your trading capital. Now remember, for you to be able to participate in this academy or in this trading, you need to budget roughly 10 to 20,000 naira as a capital extra from what you are going to buy the package, any of the package you select, because you needed capital to trade. It is not a business that maybe you buy the package, then money will start multiplying. No, you need the capital. But one thing about this is that the learning curve has been cut short for you. If you start today, you will start making money today. I'm talking about this minute, because the market we are talking about is open 247, both on Sunday, both on Saturday, both every day, every minute you are making money. Why these trading courses are the best in the market? You will learn spot and also trading, as I explained earlier. You will learn asset reverse engineering trade. Now this is a new strategy apart from the also trading, which is what I developed. Okay, you are going to be learning what we call asset reverse engineering. Now here you'll be shocked how to make money on the crypto market. I don't want to bore more on this, but Shadrach is not somebody that will say something and is not doing it. So this asset reverse engineering is what you're going to be using to trade on the spot market every blessed day. Don't go and trade something you don't know. At the end you keep losing money. But when you employed asset reverse engineering, which is a new strategy I have developed, you are going to be making excess cash in the system. You'll be making from $1 to $15 daily with a capital of 10 to 20,000. Do you get it now? It's not like you are spending millions to get this business solely. You're going to be making 10 to 20,000. What is it called? 10 to $15 daily. Done for you trade opportunity for busy clients who have learned the basics. Here, our team will manage your account as your broker and report to you every 3 days. So, in this section, if you are a busy person, first of all, you must go through the basic class so that you understand where your money is going to and how everything is working. Then, thereabout, you give us the access privilege to manage your account for you, and then we will now trade everything for you. So this is for busy people. If you're a banker, if you're working class, if you're a lawyer, if you're a military man, if you're anything that, oh, this is my job, don't give me, no, they give me time, let me speak broken. Right away there is opportunity for you by a way of opting in for this program, and then we'll manage it for you, report back to you every 3 days, because we do estimate of 3 days for an asset to reverse back to profit margin. That's why we are putting it at 3 days. Okay, Note, $1 now is to naira is 600. So don't think that this business is not profitable. But if you look at it in this way, if you are making $5 a day, it means you're going to be making roughly 3,001 to 3,000. Okay, you're going to be making 3,000 to 3,001. Then if you are making $10 a day, it means it's 6,000 or 6,006. If you are making $15 a day, that's 13,000. This is your estimate daily return with your 10 to 20k capital. There's no business in Nigeria that you put that kind of amount of money and be making such. If you now increase it like 50,000, you know how much you'll be making every blessed day. So your trainer is Mr. Shedrack. I'm Mr. Shedrack. Okay, most people don't know me, and if you are watching this presentation and you have not come across me, I am an expert crypto trader for 5 years experience. I have been able to learn crypto. In the process of my learning joining, I lose money. I lose money a lot. In fact, I lose close to 1 point, almost like 1.5 million before I could able to learn what I know today on crypto trading. Crypto trading is a volatile market. I won't lie to you, and for you to succeed, you need to burn money. Then I have burned the money for you. I've been able to lose money for you. As I'm talking to you, I'm on a profit in the sense that I don't lose a dime again. In fact, even if I lose a dime, I know how to recover it in the same market. So I am going to guide you on this journey to making it on cryptocurrency trading in Nigeria. Whether you're watching in Nigeria or outside the country, you can participate in this business as I'm talking to you, because this is an open-minded, open market business where anywhere you are, you can get started right away. So these are what people are saying about this trading package. Now the costs are divided into three. One is the blueprint. You just get the guide, which is 2.5. What are you going to get when you pay 2.5? You get access to trade blueprint, learn how to trade like pro, 3 days free signal. Okay, work with me to earn. You are going to work with Shedrack to earn in dollar. Then make $1 to $15 daily on your capital. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be making. Then full package is 12,005. Instant access to trade blueprint. Learn how to trade like pro. 3 days free signal. Work with me to earn, and then make $1 to $15 daily on your capital. Trade for me package. So if you are paying 12,005, is for if that means you're a busy person. So we are going to be trading for you. So you are going to pay 2,005 for the blueprint guide, then 10,000 for done for me package. But that done for me package, as trade for me package, is a monthly package. Every month you're going to be paying us 10,000 naira to trade for you and report back to you every 3 days. So that's for busy people. Choose the second package. The last one is the NFT trade. Here I'm going to expose to you OSA Trading Plus, the new reverse engineering, asset reverse engineering trading strategy. That is the NFT market. You are going to go NFT worth billions of dollars now. So you are going to go in for the NFT properly. So these are the various trading as in the package on this academy. So if you are interested, all you have to do is to click on buy now. It will take you to the other page. Please, there is going to be a link in the description of this video, so you can go through this course and study it more, as in the page, the same page, to know more about it. But once you click on buy now, it will direct you to this place. All you have to do is to pick a package. Just pick your package. If it is blueprint guide, you pick it. If it is a full package, you pick it. Once you make payment, instantly the blueprint will be given to you, and of course you will be enrolled automatically. After you must have gone through the training, you open your trading account and you start immediately. So don't waste time, get started. This business speak for itself. Everybody know about cryptocurrency trading, but not everybody that know about cryptocurrency trading succeed in it. And that's the reason why I'm offering this opportunity to work with me directly to make that dollar every day, earn in dollars, and then evade inflation. Once you are earning in dollar, that is, your family is secure, your future is secure. And remember, you are making passive income, not active income. You don't need to market to any person. It's just your money are in the system and you are making money. So I remain your host, Mr. Shedrack. If you like this video, please subscribe, share this video wherever you're getting it to other people so that people can know about this opportunity. Thank and God bless.